But I've had now, oh man, Mitch gave us two, I think. Yeah, I had two last week. I think I had one that was a short that worked out pretty well. And I think it was one of those trades I had to cut out early because of uh, the carry rules with the overnight carry rules for the funded trader thing. I actually had that happen to me on Friday too, which I'll talk about in a second. Um, so anyway, it's a really good product. When it works well, as you're going to see on my screen and right now. Here's a trade from Friday that I wanted to talk about. As you can see, a pretty solid rally, base rally here, right? And comes down, kisses this area here, and then we start to get the move out on Friday Friday at the end of the day. I have to close the trade, at a small profit, $100 something, something like that. And it literally just continued higher. I did not buy back into it on Sunday night. When we closed